It's kind of what I wanted for breakfast. Check it out. Eggs. Haha, eggs. Yeah, it's what I wanted for breakfast. So our new lathe, you know, I noticed that I had mentioned it on a video, but I haven't really showed it off. It's a 13-inch capacity gap bed lathe, typically used for gunsmithing. It's a stout lathe, to be honest. We've done some work on it already, and very happy with the performance of this lathe. It's very quiet. It is very rigid. The tailstock, we did have to shim the back of the tailstock. We couldn't get it centered really otherwise, so we ended up shimming that, but you know, it's within a couple. If we needed it to be perfect, we could adjust it further when it was necessary. But so there's our speeds. I'll show you what the high speed looks like, and you know, the highest speed it has to offer here. Purrs like a kitten. That is 2,000 RPM. This is 105 RPM. It's a 3 horsepower motor, and the torque is phenomenal. Got a bunch of tool holders here. We ordered some tool holders. We also ordered a live center, and I was able to build a chuck, a Jacob's chuck for the tailstock out of stuff that we had here. So that's the lathe. Got a nice accurate readout on it. You know, no complaints there. It's something we're familiar with, that we've been using for a long time. Never ever had a complaint with Accurate. They do a phenomenal job with their digital readouts. So yeah, here she is. Very, very, very pleased with this purchase. We got a great deal on it. The fellow we bought it from has a shop, and he actually got 2 of these from a school in Rochester. He kept one and sold one to offset the cost of what he paid for it. Gave us a great deal, and on top of that, he was a good fella. You know, just doing what we're doing. Been working on organizing these milling drawers. Got our slitting saws here. Carbide taps and end mills. Tapping head, fly cutters, reamers, slot cutters, well, Woodruff key cutters, and extensions and holders. Extensions and holders referring to tap extensions and end mill holders, as well as extensions for drills. And over here we got our drills. This isn't organized yet, but it's allocated. Counter bores, center drills, countersinks. Obviously not organized, but allocated. I'm not sure if we ever addressed this either, but we did get our mill running here too. So purrs like a kitten now. Sounds great, works great, very happy with it. Love all these mechanical feeds. Love them. It's been a pleasure to work with this machine here. Absolute pleasure to work with this machine. So, there we are. And last but not least, we got some hinges on our gate here so that we can open and close it. And we can get through here in the event that we need to. It's kind of a pain, but that's kind of how we want it. This isn't something that's going to be used regularly. It's only for when we need the ability to get large deliveries, whether it's equipment or material or whatever. But we hinged it so that it can open either way. But that's it.